Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to prepare loaf bread. Just like the one you get outside, do not miss out to watch the tips at the end of the video. This loaf bread will be of the size 9 by 5. For this, you will require 4 cups of maida, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of butter, 7 grams of yeast, that is 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of water. Now we'll make the yeast mixture. We'll mix the milk and water to a vessel. Before adding the yeast, make sure the mixture is lukewarm. 110 degree Fahrenheit around. We'll add the yeast. Give it a stir and let it rest in a warm place for around 10-15 minutes. Till then, we'll keep our flour mixture ready. We'll add sugar, salt, give it a good stir. Now let's check if our yeast is done. This is how the yeast will look once it's fermented. Now we'll add this yeast mixture to our flour and knead it for around 10 minutes. I'm using bread flour over here because it's rich in protein than the all-purpose flour. You can also use the all-purpose flour. Bread flour gives a better shape than the all-purpose flour. This is how it will look after kneading for 10 minutes. Now we'll add the butter and knead it for 5 more minutes. Now grease this vessel with butter and place the dough inside it. We'll let it rest for around 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is how the dough will look. Nice, fluffed up. Let's give it a punch. Nice, smooth. Looks good. We'll grease the loaf with butter. Grease it generously on all the sides, even on the edges. We'll dust the flour on a working surface. Move your dough onto it and get it into a shape. We'll get this into a shape using a rolling pin. Make sure the size of the dough which you get into the shape is equal to the loaf size. This will perfectly fit into the loaf. We'll roll it. And place this inside our loaf. Cover it with a parchment paper or aluminum foil and let it rest for around 1 hour. This is how the dough will look after 1 hour. 1 hour. Nice fluffed dough. Heat the oven for 350 degree Fahrenheit and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. The bread is out of the oven and this is how it looks. Nice golden brown. Feels like cutting and making a sandwich out of it. But patience. We need to cool it on a rack, remove it from the loaf. I have cut the bread into slices and now let's check the texture of it. It's nice, smooth. You can look at the air pockets created. It's in the right amount of softness. Please do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.